How to fix Facebook's language settings. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is your solution guy Bimo. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can fix your language on Facebook. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now let's say that you have a Facebook app and you don't understand any of the languages other than English, and you just hand it over your phone to somebody else, but then your child or any of your siblings accidentally change the language. You just basically don't understand anything over Facebook app, and you're figuring out how you can actually change it back to your native language or just to the language you understand. Well, hopefully we've got a solution for you, so make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing you want to do is simply make sure you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Facebook app. Once you've updated the Facebook app, you want to simply go ahead and then open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it is actually going to look like. Now in my case, I'm already on English, but just in case you're not on English and it's just in some kind of language you don't understand, first of all, go to the menu page, and for iOS versions it's basically at the bottom right. For Android users it's at the top right corner. Once you go to the menu page, you have to scroll down and then find the option which says settings and privacy. Select settings and privacy. As soon as you open up this drop down menu of settings and privacy, you'll be able to see a bunch of previous options, and just over here in this little globe icon you'll find this option which says language. So all you have to do is simply tap on language, and over here you want to change it basically to any of the language which you understand, and it will automatically get switched to that particular language. So just like that, you can see it is going to get automatically switched to that particular language on the list. You can basically go ahead and then change it again if you wanted it to. Tap on settings and privacy, tap on the globe icon. It's really confusing, but tap on the globe icon and then simply select English or any of the ones which you wish. And this is how you can fix your language on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.